Welcome back to my YouTube. It's me, Kiara, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my facial mask with the Indian healing clay, and then also my hair mask with the Indian healing clay. Don't mind my hair because it's a hot mess. Don't mind how I look, period, because I just came from the gym. But my hair was in the fake weave ponytail, whatever you want to call it, like, so y'all, for the weekend. And now it's time to, you know, do this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower and wash my hair. So when I come back, I'll show you guys what I do. I use, just to give you a heads up, I make two separate products, whatever, because I use this, the Indian healing clay. Okay, this stuff is amazing. And I've been using it on my face and I love it, but I never used it on my hair. But I'm gonna try it out because I hear good things, and people always ask me why I have not done it, because I'm always using it on my face on my Instagram, like, and I always like record myself with my mask. But yeah, I mixed that with apple cider vinegar, the BRAGG brand, sorry. But yeah, I mixed these two for my face in a little like cup, this little cure cup, and then I'm mixing wooden thing stick. But for my hair mask, I'm going to do the Indian healing clay, the apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to use this organic version coconut oil. I love this stuff. Like, I mean, I guess it don't really matter what brand you get as long as it's virgin coconut oil and organic, but I just get this brand because yeah, it's more convenient for me and I just like it. But I'm gonna mix that for my hair, and I'm gonna be using that in my hair bowl and then a plastic spoon to mix it. So yeah, let me get in the shower and I'm gonna wash my hair. I wash my hair with the Aussie Moist brand. I'm gonna shampoo it, that's it. I won't put conditioner in. I will condition my hair after the mask, y'all. Okay, so here's my hair freshly washed. So I think I'm going to do the hair mask first. I'm going to mix the hair mask first and then my face mask. So I'm going to take this spoon, take a couple of spoons because I don't have like a measuring cup or anything. I'm going to put like 3 spoons in there because this is my first time doing it. I really don't know how much I need for my hair. So like, yeah, 3 spoons. So I have 3 spoons in my bowl, as you can see. It's not that much, not that much. Then I'm gonna take my coconut oil. I look crazy, huh? I'm gonna take my coconut oil. I can't wait for the day my hair just gets super big and super long. Like, I see people hair grows and they'll cut their hair like say they cut their hair in January, it's January. By March their hair is like, bam, what the hell? Like, I mean, I didn't do no big chops, but I did cut all my damaged hair that I had before from hair dye and bleaching and all that crap. But it's like, what the hell, hair? Like, come on, grow faster. But my shrinkage is real crazy. That's the sad part. Okay, so now I got a spoon of coconut oil. I'm going to dump it in the bowl. So I got my coconut oil and my Indian healing clay. Now I'm going to shake up my apple cider vinegar, get all that motherness and everything all up in there. Now this I'm going to estimate because I really don't know, but I want it to be like a creamy texture, like a liquidy, more liquidy than apple cider vinegar stink though. But this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna start up and see how consistency is. Things like that. Look like elephant shit. I'm gonna add a little more. I'm gonna finish it now if I can cut it right. You need it. Okay, yeah. Yes, I look like shit, but nice and creamy shit. I really. No, it doesn't look like that, but it's nice and, yes. For some reason I thought I could do a little bit more, but I had. Here's a little bit. A little bit. Oh, no, no, no. I was really slow. I was really trying. That shit is disgusting because I can't. I've been trying to get burnt like that. No, no, this thing. Oh yeah, this is the consistency I want. Yes. Okay, I didn't make that much. This is how it is. Hopefully this is enough. If not, I'll just have to make more. All right, so let's get this show on the roll. I'm about to put it in my hair. So I'm just gonna start on this part. I'm gonna take some. I just want to start at my ends, cause yeah, and then my roots go. I don't know, when I like doing product, I like to start at my ends and then jump to my roots and then bring it down. That's just me. I'm gonna take more. Rub it in nice and good. I'm gonna take more. All right, so this should be enough for this section. Okay, so this is my hair with the stuff on, with the Indian healing clay and apple cider vinegar and the coconut oil. I kind of wish I made more because I need a little bit more, just a little bit more. But now I know for next time to use a little bit more. But here's my hair with it on. It's getting like, it dries up on there for pretty fast. So yeah. Here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands and start with the face mask. Right, now, for the face mask, this is all I do. I do this face mask at least like 2 to 3 times a week because my face is breaking out real bad. Like, especially my chin area for some reason. I don't know why. My chin area is real bad right now. Like, and it's crazy. It just started happening it's been like 2 weeks. And it's very annoying. So I take like this much, not too much, but a decent amount. I put some in Not too much at first, because for my face mask, I know I'm gonna leave a little more. For the face mask, I don't like it watery like how I did the hair. I like it creamy. And this is probably too much, but I'll probably use the extra and put in my hair since I didn't make enough. So I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Still get a little bit more. You want to be like a nice creamy texture, but not watery. You get what I mean? See? Now it's like a nice thick creamy texture. It's nice and smooth.
Now it's smooth. See how it's like thick, not watery running down. So now I'll put it on my skin, just like that, just like so.
So she enough now, just rub it in. I think this is like, I tried different masks, because I did masks, so I had no problem trying masks, different masks, anything, but I always come back to this Indian healing clay. I decided to make a mask because like this works wonders, and I'm not gonna have to like, we have pimples and stuff and minimize it. I don't know, it leaves my face feeling so clean, it makes my pores like smaller, it gives me the numbers are huge, I hate them, all them white hairs, it gets rid of like pores for make your skin happen. Like, especially if you use it consistent. And I get mad because like I love using different masks, so like I'll be forgetting, you know, like stop using this and like use a different one, and it's like damn, like I should just stick to this because my face would still popping, but no, I'm breaking out. I like to be adventurous. I do. This one always has my neck.
So now this is like spread over my face evenly. This is how it look on my face. Damn, I honestly love this shit on my hair. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I love how like how my hair sits instead of drying all out. Like, I don't know. It looks longer to shrink it. Like, I like how it holds, and I don't know. I can't explain. If y'all get what I mean, say OKAURRRRT in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. Like, cause like usually right by now my hair would have been shrunk up, shrinkage be on 100, be like that. But I like how this, it like hardens my hair. I mean, I don't like my hair hard, but I'm saying I like how it like, you know, keeps some length, like it's sitting on my shoulder. So if my hair can just stay like this and then just go big but still be on my shoulder, like, you know what I mean? Say OKAURRRRT in the comments if you know what I mean, like if you get me, if you feel me. But yeah, here is my hair with the mask on, my face, and I'm gonna leave it on for like a good 20-25 minutes, 30 minutes the most. Hi y'all, so now I'm back. I washed the mask off my face. I am extremely ashy, so, and it's up my hair, but let me tell you something. One, I just love how my skin look after not the ashiness, but my first time using this for my hair though, it's amazing. Like, there's nothing in it. Do y'all see the difference from when I washed it and had nothing in it until now and there's nothing in it? Awesome. Anyways, so since my face is ashy, I'm going to use this I'm going to use this tea tree night lotion from the Body Shop mask, because like, it's like my pores are open and you can just feel the tingliness, like, oh, it just feels good. And I literally just wipe it everywhere until it dissolves, and bam, no more ashy face. But look at my hair though, like I love it. Oh dang y'all, but when I had that straight hair for a while, like when I had that little bob cut, it's crazy, no product, nothing's in here. And look at my curl definition. Now look at that. Let me just spin for y'all. You see that? But yeah, this is my hair with nothing on it. Now I'm gonna go put a little bit of leave-in and all that stuff in and just let it do its thing. But I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please try it out. If you do, let me know how you like it. Ooh, I got this stuff on me. Comment below, tell me how your experience was, if you liked it or not, and give me any tips. But yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Yes, thumbs this video up, comment and subscribe.